everybody, so I'm gonna get right down to the video. I am going to try to make my lips look bigger. So I haven't done this very often, so this is gonna be like, we're gonna see if this really works, because I've watched a few videos and they make it look kind of easy. And as you can see, I'm looking at the camera, so I have pretty small lips. They're pretty small, and there's no way that I want to get injections in my lips. And also I'm getting older, so I think as you get older, your lips have a tendency to get thinner. So I already have thin lips, I don't want thinner lips. So we're going to try really easy, fast. I'm going to be looking at the camera and see if this works. So this is going to be either a win-win thing or a fail. So let's hope it's not a fail. So excuse that I'm not looking at you, because I have to see what I'm doing. And I should have brought my glasses. Oh, first, okay, you get a color that's darker than what you would usually wear, because you're going to use that to outline. I definitely should have brought my glasses. And sorry, I'm using a cheapy brand of lip liner. So we're overlining basically with what we're doing.
Sorry, because I can't really talk when I'm doing this. It just takes a kind of steady hand. Kinda like coloring in the lines, but you're going outside the line. But you don't want to go so far outside the line that you look like a clown, you know what I mean? Jelly bean? I think this is the hardest part, is this part. Because you don't want to look fake, you know what I mean? And I think if you had a higher quality lip liner like a MAC or something, it would be a lot easier, because this one isn't very creamy and it doesn't go on that easily. It's hard to get on top.
And remember, I don't do this very often, so I could get faster if I practiced, I'm sure. So I'm going to try this color for filling in.
I feel like I'm crooked.
And then I'm going to try a kind of lighter shade on the middle. And then blend it. There. I think I could go even more radical. I mean, I think that looks okay. But I think we could do it even more radical. What do you think? Make sure it doesn't get on your teeth. And also a tip is, at night when you go to bed, put some chapstick or some kind of like lip conditioner on so you keep your lips nice and moist, so you can do this kind of stuff to your lips without them being all, you know, chapped and stuff. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to try and go a little bit more. So this is what I look like after. And then I'll put a picture of what I look like before so you can compare them. But I'm going to try and go a little bit more radical. Let's see what happens. So I'm back and I took the lipstick off. As you can see, it took a lot of scrubbing. That lipstick was on there pretty good. So I just dropped my one that I found this in my makeup stuff and I was like, oh good, it's a better lip liner, but I just dropped it. So it's really soft and I don't know if it's gonna work very good. I had to sharpen it with a knife because I couldn't find a sharpener that would be that wide for that size. So we'll see. This is definitely an experiment, and I forgot my glasses again.
Okay, so I'm gonna look at my lips. You know what? I wish I brought my. I'm gonna stop this and go get my glasses.
The video just went off on me. I don't know why. Okay, there's a little bump on here.
So I'm going just under, but not that it looks, you know, obvious. The top, yeah, I did that higher up. I went a lot higher up. If you guys think it looks crazy, let me know in the comments. Gotta make it straight, or it's really gonna look goofy. And you gotta try and get it as even as possible to the other side. Okay, now I got this color. I thought it'd be different than the last one we tried. This is rose. It's like a matte, I'm pretty sure. I can't go much higher than that. Check your teeth. I can't go much higher than that without, looking like super obvious. You know what? I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna scrape some of it off, so there's not a whole lot on the brush thing, applicator. I think this part is the part that really needs to. There's no way I could have done this without my glasses, I don't think. I don't know how I did it the first time. The first time I did it not so radical. Then this is lighter. I think this is the one I used last time. I've used it so much that stuff is nice face. I think it's lighter. And it's glossy. You want to put glossy right in the middle. I just want this part to look okay. Okay, what do you think? See, I have the little veiny things. Oops, I just got lipstick on my cheek. I didn't bring anything with me, but I'll show you in another video how I get rid of those. So, I'm gonna blot it. Do they even blot lips anymore? Not anymore, the lip gloss. Hey, what's this one? Is this one or is it? No, this is a different one.
Shoot, I think I have 4 different lipsticks on now. You know what? Be careful you don't get too many because it starts getting cakey on there. I guess gotta do the lip thing, the lip gloss again. Okay. Oops. Oops. So how does it look? Does it look real? Do I look like I have bigger lips? I think it still needs to go up higher on this part. It definitely takes practice. And so that's the after. I still think it looks funny. Make sure you blend it on any globby things. So that's the after. And I'll show the before on the side. I'll go on this side of the camera. I don't know. I wouldn't want to go any more radical than that. But I think it looks more than I had. I guess if I went a really dark color, like maybe a dark pink, I don't really like wearing red, so maybe like a dark pink as my liner outside that liner and then fill it in. Tell me what you think, and I hope you like this video. Mwah! Bye bye.